Hi everybody, hello, and I'm bringing you something, a finished piece today. The other day on, I think it might have been Sunday on the live, I showed you a unfinished lap book. It might always be unfinished, I don't know. But it was Peter Rabbit, and it got me thinking about Peter Rabbit and Beatrix Potter, etc. And I do really like, it's just cute, it's lovely, and I love blue and white together anyway. So I've made a little folio, same as all the other little folios that we do. It's held together with the button and string as usual, like that. And these are just all beautiful Peter papers. A sticker here, a nice gingham bow there, just the flippy flappies on the front. Then it opens up. We've got a sticker there, an angled pocket, and in here we've got a little journaling card, which is so cute, and a larger journaling card with a ribbon bow on the corner. Look at that paper, isn't it beautiful? And they just fit into there, so they've got a bit of journaling. And then here we've got our waterfall. Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. With gingham bows on every other corner, and they flip up, and I've got some decoration along there. Peter Rabbit and his carrot. So that's those 5 there. When you come to the end, I've got a little picture of Peter here. I think it's Peter, it might not be Peter, it might be one of his relatives. And here we've got, look at that, that's gorgeous. A belly band with some lace down either side, and a journaling card, a ribbon gingham bow in the corner, that fits in there. Here we've got a side tuck pocket, I love that paper as well. Nice sticker on it, and a big journaling card in there. It's cute, isn't it? So nice. And that folds over. We've got this tall pocket, little picture there, a big journaling card. Mr. McGregor put Peter's coat up on made a scarecrow with him. And that folds over again. We've got another big long side pocket, love that paper. And in there we've got a couple of journaling cards. There we go. And this is a fussy cut from some papers that I have. But isn't he perfect there? He's just lovely. And then on the back, as usual, I haven't put very much, just a nice picture. And that is our lovely Flippy Flappy Folio. Just, come on dear, play nicely. And it just winds around like that. And there we have it. So there's that folio completed. Now then, I obviously only have one of those because, you know, just made it. But I do have a kit, and it's a really nice kit, I think, and I think you'll enjoy it. So let's have a look what's in the pink box today. Look at that. Look at all the things we've got. They will come wrapped up, they won't just be shoved in a box. But this is our bare bones folio, really, I suppose you could call it. Just need to come out a little bit, I think. There we go. So it's got the same papers on it as I used in the one that I've done. I haven't affixed the waterfalls because actually they are much easier to decorate when they're loose. So if you've been following me for any time, you'll know how to put those in. So that's all of the inside. That's exactly the same as the folio, completed folio I've just shown you. And then on the outside, it's all blue gingham, which is once again the same as the folio I've just shown you. 3 flippy flappies on the front. And then you get all these papers. And there's loads. There really is. So pay attention. Here we go. These are the images. You can use the same ones as I did, or you can, you know, decide for yourself what you want. There are 6 pages of images. That's the Peter that I fussy cut out, but you see there's different sizes. That's More images, some slightly smaller ones, which are always useful. More Peters there that you can fussy cut if you need them or feel you want them. I use that in mine. This one, that's a little jacket on the stick, the scarecrow. Lovely Peter there, and three of them there with Mummy. Oh, it's so lovely. And this one as well. So that's our 6 pages of images that you can use as you choose. This is the paper that I chose to use on the inside of my folio. So there's 1, 2 pages of that, I think. Then this one I used for a pocket, I believe, but it's up to you how you use them. I love that paper. It's probably my favourite, actually. I really like it. This one, just a contrast, if you feel you need a contrast. Sometimes it's good. This one, which I used on the very front, I really love it. Absolutely love it. And then this one that's just a bit different from that one. It's just all the sort of browny colours, neutral colours. Really useful page. And then we have 2 of these that are nowadays, I guess, would be referred to as washi. And you could make them into washies if you printed them onto a sticker paper, but I haven't. I've just printed them onto normal paper. And I've used, well, this piece actually, because it goes that way, as the washi when you lift the waterfalls up and there's a space. I've used it there. But, you know, use them on the edge of pockets, anything you like. And I've given you 2 sheets of those because you will need 2 sheets if you choose to use that in the way that I use mine. So that's a really nice one. And then we've got some gingham ribbon, quite a bit. We've got some blue lace. We've got some gingham bows, half a dozen of those. We've got the button, which in this case is white, with the string already attached. I haven't knotted it because you'll decide where you want it. And some stickers, which are just fun, aren't they? Stickers are just fun. I love them. So there's some of those. They're not all Peter, but some of them are. So there we are. That's what's in the pink box today. I hope you like it. And, you know, like I say, you'll be able to refer back to the finished journal that I've done on the start of this video if you want to make one identical. Everything is in there should you wish to do that. But, you know, you can make your own mind up what you want. You've got all the papers. You've got the base decorated journal. So off you go and enjoy yourself because they're really, really nice. So thanks for watching. They'll be listed in my Etsy shop fairly soon. And I'll see you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.